Guys, today it's gonna be a review of the 1900s coffee maker. This is how you spin it. Yeah, that's the review. You open it from here. You have to put beans in it to mix coffee, and this is where the coffee comes out of. It comes out of here, to the jar, and it's from London. One of my friend's mother got it from London. They sell very old stuff. It's from 1837 and it's super old. And this is I think this was like a basic old model of this thing. Like, it's a very, very old model, and it's like a modern tea set. You actually find the oldest tea set like in the world that I found from one of my friends. And I make an Android with my friend Frank 776 and CJ Goot, and I don't know who that is. I'm one of his friends. Like, I don't know the request of them, because they're giving me a request and I don't have any time for it. It's a catastrophe of my fire alarms. Like, I'm not gonna be uploading any more videos. I'm very sorry. I'm not gonna be uploading. I'm just uploading random videos. Like, you wanna see this? You're gonna see this catastrophe. Look, RIP fire alarms. No system test for 1 month. Sorry. I wish I could request videos, but I didn't request by anyone. This is my sad news. The white one is gone forever. It's broken. The straw doesn't work. It burnt. Spectre Alert Advance is gone. Did anyone know I have the Spectre Alert Advance? No one knows I have the Spectre Alert Advance. The first generation of it, like the white version. Nothing works, sorry. See? RIP every fire alarm I have. RIP. They're all gone forever. Never coming back. It's gonna take me tomorrow to come out. I am very sorry about this. Like, I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm gonna see you next time in 2 more months. Bye.